Hi everyone, welcome back to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix date is inaccurate on your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error or problem date is inaccurate when you open your WhatsApp, so I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you can see your device date is inaccurate. Adjust your clock and try again. You have to set your current date and time. For that, you have to just click on adjust date. Below you can see adjust date. Click on that. Here you can see set time automatically. Below you will find that my date is very older. It's of 2017, so it's showing like this. You have to just set as set time automatically. After that, below you will find set time zone automatically. Just enable this one. Use location to set time zone. Enable this option also. Then go back. My current date and time has been set. Now we will open the WhatsApp and check whether our problem is solved or not. You can see after setting the date and time, the issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix date is inaccurate on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.